In this guide, I'm gonna explain how much does NFL Plus cost. Let's get started. NFL Plus costs $6.99 per month or $49.99 per year, while NFL Plus Premium costs $14.99 per month or $99.99 per year. With regular NFL Plus, you get live out-of-market preseason games, live local and primetime regular season games on supported phones and tablets, live game audio and NFL Network. NFL Plus Premium includes everything in NFL Plus NFL RedZone, full and condensed games, replays, and all 22 coaches film. However, live local and primetime regular season games cannot be streamed on your connected TV through NFL Plus. If you want to watch those games on your TV, you will need the appropriate authorized streaming service or TV provider. So choose regular NFL Plus for basic live access or NFL Plus Premium if you want RedZone and more replay features. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.